Hi everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Jura S8 here. So I replaced the grinder in this machine and gave it a tune-up. So I'll show you the old one. Here's the whole grinder assembly. Just removed this, replaced it with a brand new one, and then I gave the machine a tune-up. So that just means I removed the brew unit, took it apart, deep cleaned it, lubricated it, put it back together. Then I descaled the machine, cleaned it with coffee cleaner, took apart this spout here, cleaned it with milk cleaner, and the machine was also missing a couple of screws when it came in, so I just replaced those with some screws we had in the shop that match the machine, and that's about it. So I'm just going to pull a shot just to show you that the machine is working. Alright, there's our shot of espresso. Hopefully you can see that. And then I'll show you, we have a nice puck here. So, okay, that's about it for this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.